how to add Zotero extension to Chrome. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So in this video, I will show you two ways on how to add the Zotero extension into Google Chrome. So first, let's just open up the Google Chrome extension store. So I'll just search up extensions Chrome right there. And then I'll just go to the Chrome web store right here just by clicking on this link. And then from here, I'll just go to extensions right here and then just search up for Zotero. There you go. So I'll just click on Zotero connector right here. And then to add it to Chrome, I'll just click on Add to Chrome right here, click on Add Extension, and then there you go. Zotero has now been added to our Chrome as an extension. So to view it, what you can do is click on this puzzle icon right here in the top right corner that says Extensions, and then from here you'll get to see Zotero connector. So you can pin this if you want to, and then if you click on these three dots right here, you can remove it from Chrome if you want to uninstall it. Next, another option on how to install the Zotero extension in Google Chrome, what you can do is to just simply go to their website. So I'll just search up for Zotero right there, and then I'll just click on this link right here that says download Zotero connector. So I'll just click on this, and then you'll be greeted by two options right here. So you can install Zotero for Windows, which is an exe file, or you can install Zotero right here into your Chrome as an extension. So to install it in Chrome, just click on Install Chrome Connector, and then that extension or the Zotero extension will now be added to your Chrome. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add Zotero extension to Chrome.